In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an SVG in Figma, a quick tutorial perfect for anyone looking to hone their skills in vector graphics. First things first, let's head over to Figma. It's a fantastic tool for collaborative interface design and will be the platform we use throughout this tutorial. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your projects. If you haven't done that yet, just click on login and use your credentials to enter the platform's main dashboard. Now that we're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to Figma. The home section is where you will see your recent projects and shared files, making it easier to jump back into your creative work. From here, navigate towards the design section. This is the heart of your workspace where all the magic happens and where you can create, modify and refine your designs. Next up, locate the design you wish to export. Once you've selected it, it's time to look for the export options. Head to the bottom of the right side panel where you'll see the word export. This is Figma's way of letting you send your work out of the app and make it usable in various other platforms. Clicking on it will reveal the different formats available. Here, your main goal is to select the SVG format. SVG, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, is a widely used format due to its ability to maintain quality across different sizes, perfect for illustrations, icons, and intricate designs. It's a web designer's go-to for crisp and clean graphics. After selecting SVG, you'll want to finalize the export by clicking on the Export button. At this point, Figma will prompt you to choose where to save your file on your computer, pick a folder that you'll easily remember or where you keep all your graphic assets, and voila, your file is now saved as an SVG ready to be used in any number of projects. As you become more comfortable with this process, exporting in Figma will become second nature, saving you time that can be better spent on creating. It's worth remembering that you can experiment with other available formats for different needs, but SVG is your best bet for maintaining resolution and flexibility in vector graphics. And there you have it, a seamless way to export your work from Figma into an SVG file. Perfect for maintaining the quality of your designs while ensuring they're adaptable to any platform. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with the endless potential Figma offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Keep creating, and see you in the next video.